negation with.
没
Level, HSK1. Use, negating, have, and denying past actions.
没
Is a special negation word in Chinese. It is mainly used to negate the verb
有
and to deny that an action happened in the past. 1. Negating.
有
To have.
没
Is the only word used to negate the verb.
有
You cannot use.
不
Structure, subject plus.
没
Plus.
有
Plus object. Examples. I do not have money.
我没有钱
They do not have anything.
他们没有事儿
Do you have an older brother? I do not.
你有哥哥吗？我没有
I do not have time.
我没有时间
2. Negating past actions.
没
Is also used to deny that a past action occurred. It is placed before the verb. The particle
了
is never used in this type of sentence. Structure, subject
没
plus verb plus object. Examples. I did not go to school.
我没去学校
She did not eat yesterday.
他昨天没吃饭
I did not read a book.
我没看书
He did not drink water.
他没喝水
Note, in spoken Chinese,
有
can be dropped when using.
没
To negate a past action, but it is often included. The meaning stays the same. Summary use.
没
To say do not have or did not do. Remember that it is the only negation for.
有